remember my name. Cracked pavement, talking, whispering pain. Every corner got the story I became. No map needed, I belong to the flames. Sirens sing like a lullaby gone wrong. Shadows move, but I still stay strong. I learned early where I fit don't last long, so I carve my place inside every song. Mama said home ain't was it's inside, but I found mine where the lost ones collide. In the rhythm of the broken and the pride, in the base where the truths don't hide. Cold nights taught me how to breathe alone. Every scar turned the piece into stone. Now my voice got the weight, got a tone. This ground right here, this my throne. I don't chase no crown, I just stand in my zone. Every step, every loss that I own. Where I'm from, in the place has been grown. In my blood, in my sound, where I belong. We looked up as the city glowed. Pick the light, only we would know. While the world kept moving slow, we chose a star and let it grow. No map, no sign, just what we feel. A distant fire that made it real. Through every doubt, through every deal, we held that spark like it could heal. Nights got cold, the sky turned gray, but that same light showed us the way. Even when words would drift away, we heard its silence softly say, we built a path no one could see. Between your heart and mind set free. Not fate, not chance, just you and me. Locked in our own gravity. If we fall or if we rise, still that star stays in our eyes. Not in the sky but deep inside. The one we chose, the one that guides. New light hits my face. No past in this place. I breathe, I reset. No chains on me, yeah. Cold air in my lungs. All pain comes undone. Step slow, then they run. A new day's begun. No voice from the dark, just me and the spark. I walk with a mark. Still light in the ark. Oh. No fear in my stride. No need left to hide. I carry my side. The truth as my guide. Each dawn feel like fire. Lift me up higher. No end, just desire. New days never tire. The streets were quiet, broken glass and neon red. Old walls whisper stories soaked in silent pain. From every corner, shadows learning how to stand. 1,000 voices rising from this battered land. Footsteps echo louder than the fear we knew. Hands once empty, now we're building something new. Through the sirens, through the doubt and every fall, you can feel the heartbeat shaking every wall. We were forgotten names, unfading signs, dust in the cracks of someone else's lines. But now the fire's running through our veins, and every scar is turning into strength again. From the sound. Echoes of sirens spinning all around. A fragile prayer hangs in the smoky air, while shadows trade their fear for silent despair. Broken windows tell the stories we ignore. Footsteps fading on a restless floor. Every heartbeat races with the unknown. In a world where peace feels overthrown, but somewhere in the chaos, candles glow. Soft voices singing what we used to know. Hands reaching out through the darkest caves, holding on to hope in 1,000 ways. Bullets fly, but dreams refuse to die. Tears fall underneath the burning sky. Still we whisper words the night can't erase, calling for mercy, calling for grace. And when the dawn cuts through the gray, maybe love will find a way to stay. Through every scar and every shattered piece, we keep on fighting just to believe in peace. Little girl, close your eyes. Hear the sound behind the noise, soft and low deep inside. That's your truth, that's your voice. Don't let the world turn it down. Don't trade gold for empty crowns. Every beat you feel is real. Let it rise, let it heal. Listen to the music of your soul, girl. Let it play, don't lose control. Every note will make you whole. That's your fire, that's your goal. When the night feels too long and the silence feels wrong, there's a melody strong. It's been there all along. No fear, just let it flow. No need to follow the show. What you feel is what you know. Let your inner rhythm glow. I saw her walking through the neon light, confidence burning on in the night. No need for lines, no need to pretend. Just one real look and I step in. I say hello, she smiles slow. A quiet spark begins to grow. No rush, no game, just simple truth. Two strangers dancing on the edge of youth. Her laugh cuts through the crowded room, like flowers rising out the gloom. I lean closer, words fall light. Everything feels easy tonight. No promises carved in stone or fire, just honest talk and shared desire. A moment real, no need to chase, just reading stories in her face. And if she leaves, I let it be. Some things aren't meant to stay with me. But for one night under city lights, we found something in passing life. I walk alone on a road of sand. No clear sign, no guiding hand. Just the wind and what I stand. Holy faith where I began. Heat burns slow beneath my feet. Every doubt I have to beat. No retreat, no safe retreat. Just belief in every step I meet. No heart and air, no no shade above. Only silence, only love. Something pulling from above. Keeps me moving, keeps me tough. Storms may rise and blur my sight. Days feel endless, nights feel tight. Still I hold the distant light. Faith alone will make it right. If I fall, I rise again. Through the loss, through the pain. On this endless road of sand, only faith will take my hand. Oh yeah, ba-da-dum, bam, 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 bam. Oh I, oh yeah, oh I, oh I. We had to find this flower in our hands that night. Petals glowing under city lights. Every color felt like a dream come true. A perfect moment, just me and you. Music rising like a summer flame. Strangers dancing like they knew our names. Laughter echoing through every street. Hearts in rhythm moving to the beat. We found the best party we'd ever known. No walls, no limits, just a place called home. Every second felt like it would never end. Lost in the night with our closest friends. Time slowed down in the neon haze. Golden sparks in a purple blaze. Every glance was a spark, a sign that this wild night was yours and mine. And when the morning touched the sky, we smiled without asking why. 'Cause we lived the story we can't replace. The best flower, the best party, one endless space. Soft skin, slow breath, midnight heat, no rest. Fingers trace, hidden glow. We don't stop, we don't slow. Oh. Close now, feel the flame. Say my name, heartbeat, loud body style. Lost in sparks of neon light. Warm touch, burning deep. Secrets that we never keep. Eyes locked, no disguise. Fire dancing in your eyes. Oh, hold me close, don't let go. See chaos moving slow. Every kiss wild and true. Flames alive in me and you. Dawn comes, embrace the heat. Won't ever fade away. Soft scars, passion grows. In your fire, I explode. Yo, lo, 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 lo. Oh. Don't look for me out on the borderline, where shadows fall and hearts decline. I won't be there in the fading gray. I've already walked away. Don't chase ghosts where the cold winds run, where broken dreams outnumber the sun. There's nothing left in that empty view. No trace of me, no trace of you. Find me in the light that still remains, in quiet hope beyond the pain, where every spark begins again, and love outlives the end. I'll be the glow you almost made. gentle fire in the mist. Not in the noise, not in the fight, but in the last soft breath of life. So when the dark begins to fade and fear no longer feels the same, no search the edge where we once stood. Find me where the light still could. Trials, empty nights, no sound. I was lost, not found. Falling heart felt the weight, closed doors, sealed fate. Burned dreams, silent cries, still a fire inside. One spark, rising flame. Call my name, step by step I stand. Back again I demand. Crowds roar, lights blaze, glory found through the haze. Sky shines, stories told, from the dark to gold. Now I rise, no fear. Every doubt disappears. Home again, I belong. Glory lives in my song. I walk alone on the road of sand. No clear sign, no guiding hand. Just the wind and what I stand. Only faith where I began. Heat burns slow beneath my feet. Every doubt I have to beat. No retreat, no safe retreat. Just belief in every step I meet. No more water near, no shade above. Only silence, only love. Something pulling from above. Keeps me moving, keeps me tough.